Have you ever wondered how a simple touch can send a shiver down your spine, or why a paper cut hurts disproportionately to its size? This is the hidden power of your nerves at work. They are the silent messengers of your body, communicating sensations, pains, and pleasures to your brain. Imagine nerves as the body's electrical wiring, transmitting signals at incredible speeds to ensure you react to the world around you. Each nerve is a delicate structure, highly sensitive and incredibly vulnerable. They are the unsung heroes that orchestrate everything from the gentlest touch to the most intense pain. When you sip a hot drink, it's your nerves that warn you before the heat harms you. When you dance, it's your nerves that coordinate your moves so gracefully. Understanding our nerves is the first step towards enhancing their strength naturally. Your daily routine could be either a potion or a poison for your nerves. Imagine sitting at a desk for hours, your body motionless except for the occasional stretch or shuffle. This common scenario might not seem harmful at first glance, but prolonged sitting can compress and damage nerves over time, particularly those in your lower back and legs. It's a subtle habit, but one that can lead to conditions like sciatica, where nerve pain radiates from the back down to the feet. Now, let's turn our attention to what's on your plate. Diets high in sugar and fat don't just affect your waistline, they can also be detrimental to nerve health. High blood sugar levels, for instance, can cause inflammation that damages blood vessels feeding your nerves, disrupting their function. This is particularly crucial for those managing conditions like diabetes, where nerve health is already at risk. Stress is another silent saboteur of nerve health. When stressed, your body releases hormones like cortisol, which in prolonged periods can lead to increased blood pressure and sugar levels, straining nerve function. Ever noticed that tingling sensation in your hands or feet during stressful times? That's your nerves reacting to these physical changes. But it's not all doom and gloom. Each of these habits can be adjusted to support rather than sabotage your nerve health. Simple changes like incorporating standing breaks into long sitting periods, opting for a balanced diet rich in nutrients, and managing stress through techniques like breathing exercises or yoga can make a world of difference. Altering these habits can significantly boost your nerve strength. Imagine your body as a garden. Vitamins and minerals are the sunshine and water it needs to flourish. In the complex network of your nervous system, certain nutrients stand out as champions for nerve health. Take vitamin B12, for instance. This powerhouse nutrient is akin to a master mechanic, ensuring that your nerve fibers are well insulated and firing correctly. Without adequate B12, nerves suffer a performance dip, much like machinery running on low oil. Good sources of B12 include fish, meat, poultry, eggs, milk, and fortified cereals. Next up, let's talk about magnesium. This mineral acts like a calming breeze through your nerve garden, helping to settle electrical activity and prevent overexcitation, which can lead to nerve damage. Magnesium-rich foods include leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. Think of a tranquil forest where each tree stands strong and serene. That's what magnesium does for your nerves. Lastly, don't forget the omega-3 fatty acids, the nutrients that could be likened to the rain that nourishes the soil. Omega-3s help build and maintain myelin sheath, the protective coating around your nerve fibers. This is essential for effective nerve transmission. Flax seeds, walnuts, and fatty fish like salmon are excellent sources of omega-3. Incorporating these nutrients into your diet can be a game changer for your nerve health. Just as warriors had swords, you have natural herbs to defend and strengthen your nerves. In the realm of natural health, turmeric and ginger stand out as formidable allies for your nervous system. Both of these herbs are celebrated not just for their ability to enhance flavor, but also for their therapeutic properties. Turmeric, with its vibrant golden hue, is rich in curcumin, a compound known for its powerful anti-inflammatory effects. This makes it incredibly beneficial in reducing neuropathic pain, which is often caused by inflammation around nerves. Ginger, with its zesty bite, is another hero in the fight against nerve pain. Similar to turmeric, ginger contains potent compounds like gingerols, which have been shown to possess their own anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds help soothe inflamed nerves and improve overall nerve function. By integrating these herbs into your diet, you're not just seasoning your food, you're also fortifying your body's nervous system, helping to shield it from pain and discomfort. These herbs are not just spices for your meals, but are potent tools for nerve strength. Move it or lose it, a saying that holds profound truth for nerve health. Let's delve into the dynamic world of exercise and its undeniable impact on our nervous system. Regular physical activity doesn't just boost muscle strength and cardiovascular health. It's also a vital player in enhancing nerve function. When you exercise, your body increases blood flow, which helps nourish your nerves with essential nutrients and oxygen. This is crucial for those recovering from nerve damage or looking to strengthen their nervous system. But it's not just about hitting the gym or running marathons. Simple activities like walking, swimming, or even yoga can significantly contribute to nerve health. These activities help improve coordination, balance, and motor skills, all of which are crucial for a robust nervous system. Now transition into the soothing touch of massage therapy. Imagine a technique that not only relaxes your muscles, but also has the potential to facilitate nerve repair. Massage therapy works wonders by stimulating the nerves and increasing blood flow to affected areas. This can be particularly beneficial for those experiencing conditions like peripheral neuropathy, where nerve damage leads to pain, weakness, or numbness. Moreover, certain massage techniques can target specific nerve pathways, helping to alleviate pain and restore function. It's a natural approach that complements other treatments and promotes overall well-being. Incorporating regular exercise and massage therapy into your routine isn't just about prevention, it's about actively enhancing your quality of life. These practices help maintain the integrity of your nervous system, ensuring that each signal your body sends and receives is clear and effective. Engaging in physical activities and regular massage can revitalize your nervous system. Your mind's tranquility can be your nervous system's best friend. Picture this. Every day, your body and nerves are like a bustling city during rush hour, constant activity, noise, and chaos. Now, imagine introducing a moment of silence in that chaos. That moment is meditation, acting like a reset button for your nervous system. Stress isn't just a feeling, it's a physical response that can aggravate nerve pain and weakness. When stressed, your body releases hormones like cortisol, which in excess can wear out your nerves, making them more susceptible to pain and damage. Meditation, on the other hand, helps lower these stress hormones, essentially soothing the frayed wires of your nervous system. Let's explore how simple daily meditation can be. Start by finding a quiet spot. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. As thoughts come, acknowledge them, but let them drift away, bringing your focus back to your breathing. Just 5 to 10 minutes of this practice can significantly reduce stress levels, thereby protecting your nerves. Besides meditation, other relaxation techniques like deep breathing exercises, progressive muscle relaxation, or even gentle yoga can contribute to nerve health. Incorporating these practices into your routine can improve blood flow, reduce stress, and enhance your overall well-being, making your nervous system more resilient. Mastering stress management can lead to stronger and more resilient nerves. Now, combining these elements can create a fortress for your nerve health. Imagine your nervous system as a complex network of highways. Each habit and remedy you adopt acts like a maintenance crew, keeping these highways smooth and functional. From the vitamins that repair and protect nerve cells to the herbs that reduce inflammation and pain, each component plays a crucial role. First, we explored the impact of daily habits on nerve health. Avoiding toxins like excessive alcohol and smoking while embracing a balanced diet rich in essential nutrients sets a solid foundation. Remember, what you consume can either fortify or weaken your neural pathways. Then we delved into the specific vitamins and minerals vital for nerve health, such as vitamin B12, magnesium, and omega-3 fatty acids. These are not just supplements, but tools that help in the repair and regeneration of nerve tissues. Herbal remedies also came into play, offering natural ways to enhance nerve strength. Herbs like turmeric and ginger are not only common kitchen spices, but are also powerful anti-inflammatories that support nerve health. Physical activities and massage therapies are equally important. Regular exercise increases blood flow, which is crucial for delivering nutrients to your nerves. Massage, on the other hand, helps reduce stress and inflammation, further protecting nerve function. Stress management and meditation were highlighted as essential practices for reducing the overall strain on your nervous system. Techniques like deep breathing, yoga, and mindfulness keep the stress hormones in check, which is vital for maintaining nerve health. As you integrate these practices into your lifestyle, think of it as building a multi-layered defense system for your nervous system. Each element not only supports the other, but also enhances overall health, leading to a more resilient and robust nervous system. Empower your nerves with these natural strategies and watch them become more robust than ever. Remember, a healthy nervous system means a vibrant life.